Modern life requires different types of work and learning. This video is about some work and work techniques, which may be necessary in your life. So keep watching.
Food making and cutting techniques. Fixing broken walls. Vases are made by melting glass or glass.
If you like the video, please subscribe and select all on the bell button next to it so that you get notification as soon as the next video is published. And give a like.
Automatic private car covering. Sword tree cutting techniques. How to fix a flat tire. The way glass is designed by melting. Cabbage packing. Hand jumping practice. Techniques for coloring brick walls. Wall is made by melting glass. Repairing broken manholes. Patty threshing in a surprising manner. Repairing the walls with cement. Exercise techniques. Wall coloring work by female workers. Floor making. Supporting floor tiles. Fish cutting techniques. Concrete dam is made. The sin of picking vegetables from the land.
If you like the video, please subscribe and select all on the bell button next to it so that you get notification as soon as the next video is published. And give a like.
A pleasant ride in a horse-drawn carriage. Technique was for harvesting corn from the field. Brick wall made. Modern brick wall construction. Repairing old walls. Manhole coloring. Technique was for making bread in a modern way with flour. Concrete road casting. The technique of breaking eggs with the body. Construction of concrete dams. Cast concrete roof. Wall repairing by machine. Wall coloring techniques. How grass is cut from land in modern way. Road cleaning by carboller machine.
If you like the video, please subscribe and select all on the bell button next to it so that you get notification as soon as the next video is published. And give a like.
Water is sprinkled on the road by pumping machines. Technique was for breaking concrete dams. How vines are pruned. modern brick-making techniques.
Thanks for watching. Then now, like, subscribe to the video and press the bell button to select all, so that you get notifications when such videos are released in the future. And if you like the video, like it and stay tuned.